Hi, I'm Stephen Powers, President of Curtis Industries. I'm here to introduce the first in a series of 3 videos on engineered solutions for terminal block applications. This first video will show you the design challenge our custom engineering team faced when a Global 100 company needed to convert its network integrated services routers from AC input to a DC power interface. A second video will present the solution, and a third video will show you how that solution was implemented. Curtis Industries makes terminal blocks, EMI RFI filters, and related electrical components for a variety of industries. Filter Networks, a division of Curtis Industries, provides similar products and services for the U.S. military. One particular customer posed a major challenge to us recently. They needed to convert the AC power input module used on their NIS routers to a DC power interface. In addition, the new interface could not be any larger than the AC power module. Further, the project had to meet strict international safety and environmental compliance standards. The customer solicited bids from 12 different companies. 11 of them said no to the project. They either would not, or could not, even bid on it. Curtis embraced the challenge. The DC power interface module required a 3-terminal 40-amp DC power input connection with a signal level power switch and an LED indicator. That part was easy. The hard part was fitting all this into the same 36mm by 58mm footprint of the power entry module used on the AC version. Technical and environmental requirements were a challenge. The terminals had to accept standard 8-gauge wires with lugs and had to be finger safe. In addition, the design had to meet UL, CSA, IEC, and CCC safety requirements. Environmental, or green, compliance required multiple certifications at all levels of the supply chain. But more about that during our second video in this series. It's no wonder no one else wanted to bid on the project. But this is the kind of task that Curtis Industries thrives on. We love the challenge. Whether developing a new power input to fit in a tiny space or customizing an EMI filter for extreme insertion loss, Curtis engineers examine the problem, offer innovative solutions, create prototypes, test it to make sure it meets all technical requirements, and then we manufacture your product exactly to your specifications. Now, join us for the second video in our series to learn how we solve this seemingly unsolvable problem.